2001 certification, specialized in tooling and molding made. Mold inserts are available to process as well. Over 50 sets of imported machines, the maximum accuracy could up to plus 0.002 millimeters, minus 0.002 millimeters. Professional design for tooling, molding and parts. Offer feasible options with professional advice. Specializing in processing various precision hardware and die-in spare parts, its precision can be within 0.002 millimeters. Advanced technology and experienced talents, as well as perfect production management system, it can produce high-quality products. Improved processing accuracy with multiple cutting technology is the fundamental means to improve the precision and surface quality of slow wire cutting processing. Slow wire processing technology. In its process indicators in all aspects, it has reached a fairly high level and is irreplaceable by other processing technologies.
Industrial Motivate the future.